Canva's photo editing capabilities have expanded to include some incredible AI features. If you've ever had a situation where you have handed someone your camera to take a photo of you, only to realize that something was photobombing you in the background, now you can save that photo utilizing the tool Magic Eraser. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use it, and I'll also highlight some other magic features that I know you're going to enjoy. Without further ado, let's hop in. Canva has a free photo editor where you can upload your photos instantly, you can polish your images, and you can design and drop design elements on top of them to create a new design. You can also add filters and effects. You can take control of your photos by adjusting the warmth and brightness. You can also enhance your photos instantly. But if you want to leverage the power of AI, you will need to have a Canva Pro account. So if you would like access to Canva Pro free for 45 days, you can always go to my link, lashondabrown.com/Canva45. Now those AI features will have magic in front of them. And so that's how you'll know if it's leveraging the power of AI behind the scenes to make this happen. And one of the features that I love is called Magic Eraser. With this tool, you can magically erase your unwanted images. This works also on a mobile device. So if you have Canva on your phone, you can definitely do this on the go. And you can seamlessly add or replace objects in your images using Magic Edit. So we're going to hop into the photo editor so I can show you how to use this tool. Feel free to play around with images you already have, or you can edit images within the Canva photo library. When you're ready to start editing the photo, all you need to do is select the image and locate Edit Photo in the top left-hand corner. From there, you're going to see the Magic Studio appear at the top. You will see your filters, your effects, and then some apps. Now, if you want to use the old experience of the Canva photo editor, you can click at the very bottom of the screen. So if you feel more familiar with that one, you can click there. But I would recommend staying in this new view because this is going to make it easy for you to locate some of those magic features. So at the very top, I'm sure you're used to seeing background remover. We are going to click on Magic Eraser. From there, you can adjust the size of your brush. And I have noticed that the smaller the brush, the more accurate the fill. So we are going to make this brush size pretty small here. And what I want to play around with first is removing this stop sign in the background. So all we're going to do is click over the area and we're going to release it once we have painted on top. And what Canva will do is process the image and it will start to auto fill in the area that I have selected.
A few moments later.
All right, perfect. We have removed that from the image. I also want to remove a bit of this lampstand, and this is just for the example. It is pretty prominent in the photo right now, and so I would like for it to be less prominent. So I'm going to increase the brush size just a little bit, and we will paint all the way down here to the skyline.
I did not, let's see. We'll do it again. Try to do that too.
One eternity later.
Utilizing Magic Eraser gave me the capability of erasing unwanted objects, but you can also add elements to your design. So what I want to do at this point is to go back to the Magic Studio dashboard, and I want to click on Magic Edit. From there, I want to utilize the same brush effect, but this time I want to tell it what I would like for it to add to my design rather than remove. So I am going to increase the brush size and I'm going to drag in this area, and it doesn't have to be a perfect shape. I'll hit continue, and then I will describe for the AI tool what I would like to see in the space that is highlighted by the brush strokes. So I'm going to type in Christmas lights. Editing faces, hands, or legs are not recommended in Magic Edit, so I would try to steer more toward changing objects versus changing human characteristics. So we're going to type in Christmas lights and click on Generate to reveal some suggestions of things that can be placed in this area. So now that I have that area selected, you can see I have 4 different options for what could go there. We've got this strand here, this strand there, and this strand here. Canva's Magic Edit tool is going to adjust based on the size of your brushstrokes. So if you want larger AI elements on top of your images, all you need to do is go back and increase your brushstroke size and the area that is selected. What's so wonderful about Magic Eraser and Magic Edit is they're going to give you design capabilities to stretch your images beyond what you initially took. So if you want to make a photo holiday themed, if you have an anniversary coming up, or just a special celebration, you can add objects on top of existing images to give your images more life. I hope you guys enjoyed learning about this feature. Remember, Magic Edit and Magic Eraser are pro features. Don't forget, you can always utilize my link to try Canva Pro free for 45 days. Until next time, ta-ta for now.